Hi, I am Hania Karkhane, and nowadays I have a special challenge about staying focused on a long time to do something. And I decided to survey about this and find the cause and effect of this problem. My problem, I think, and I know some people have a same problem. Scientists claim that nowadays the time that people can focus on something is shorter than before, and the term that scientists use for this problem is the attention span. Attention span is shorter than before, and I survey about this, the cause and effect of this problem, and it is the smartphone and internet and something like this. For example, when you want to start study or start to do something, a special something that it needs concentration, you hear the ringing, the phone ringing or the beep of the message, and your concentration got distracted, and you forgot the work or your task, and you had to answer the phone, or you want to see the message. And I think nowadays people look at a lot of time in the smartphone and tablet and something like this. But I continue my survey, and I find the article that was reported by the psychologist. She believed that her name is Gemma Briggs. She believed that lecture about someone's distracted by their smartphone or something like this, and she believed that it's the ability to control and sustain their attention when you hear or you use the smartphone and something like this. She means you people must learn how to control themselves to use this material. In conclusion, I want to say to people, and especially to myself, that we must learn how to control, to use the cell phone or tablet or internet, especially when we want to learn something, or we want to stay focusing on something. Thank you.